What if I told you a janitor earning an average paycheck became a millionaire? Not by luck, not by inheritance, not by some secret side hustle, just by using strategies most people ignore every single day. And the craziest part? His biggest advantage was being ordinary. Most people believe one dangerous lie: you need a high income to become wealthy. So millions spend their lives chasing bigger paychecks, thinking wealth is only for doctors, CEOs, or entrepreneurs. But here's the truth. It's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep and how wisely you grow it. Because too many people increase their income only to increase their spending. Better car, bigger house, more debt. And decades later, still broke. This is why so many hardworking people stay trapped, even while earning more than ever before. Now imagine this: a janitor named Ronald Reed. He worked simple jobs his entire life. He pumped gas, he cleaned floors. He lived modestly, nothing flashy, no luxury lifestyle, no financial fame. Most people would have looked at him and assumed he was poor. But when he passed away in 2014, he shocked the world. Ronald Reed had built a fortune of over $8 million. Yes, a janitor, millionaire. So how did he do it? Key point. 1. Live below your means. First lesson, he spent far less than he earned. While others upgraded their lifestyle, Ronald stayed simple. He drove used cars, wore basic clothes, avoided unnecessary spending. This is powerful because wealth often isn't about looking rich. It's about keeping your money long enough for it to grow. Today, many people spend money trying to impress others, people who usually don't care. Ronald understood something most people miss. Every dollar saved is a worker, and every worker can make more money. Key point 2. Consistent investing. Second lesson, he invested consistently for decades. Not gambling, not day trading, not chasing trends. He bought solid dividend-paying stocks, and then he held them for years, for decades. This is where the magic happened. Compound interest. His money made money. Then that money made more money. Over time, small investments became massive wealth. This is boring to many people, and that's exactly why most people fail. They want quick money, but real wealth usually comes slowly, then suddenly. Key point 3. Patience beats hype. Third lesson, patience. Ronald didn't panic every time the market dropped. He didn't chase get-rich-quick schemes. He stayed consistent. This is where most people lose. Fear, impatience, distractions. They start investing, then stop. Or worse, they sell when things get scary. But wealth rewards patience. The biggest financial weapon isn't brilliance, it's behavior. Powerful mindset shift. Here's the real secret. Ronald Reed didn't become wealthy because he earned more. He became wealthy because he mastered money habits. So if you're earning an average salary right now, this should inspire you. Because wealth may be more possible than you think. Start with this. Spend less than you make. Invest consistently. Be patient. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Let time do the heavy lifting. You do not need to look rich. You need to build rich. That one mindset shift can change your entire future. So the next time you think, I don't make enough to build wealth, remember the janitor who quietly built millions, not through luck, but through discipline. Because financial freedom isn't always about making more. Sometimes it's about managing better. Your income matters, but your habits matter more. If this story changed how you see money, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more powerful financial truths. Because the strategies that build wealth are often hiding in plain sight.